everybody.
Hi.
Pam and Amber for our third installment of Pam and Amber's Craft Corner. In case you haven't figured it out, we're celebrating St. Patty's Day with our green. Amber is jealous of my green. Do you know why? She's green with envy.
Oh my gosh.
Anyhow, all right, Amber, go ahead. Get them started.
If you picked up a craft kit from the library, you should have received 4 wooden hearts, paint, a popsicle stick, and a paintbrush. And we used our brown bag that our craft came in to paint on top of, so then we could just throw that out at the end. Then all I did was paint the hearts, let it dry.
Yeah, it's
for
so
about
simple.
5 minutes.
Anybody could do this, right?
Yeah.
All right. And in case you're wondering what we're going to make, it's a little coaster, shamrock coaster.
Alright, and just let it dry for 5 minutes or so. Then it should look like that. Cool. Alright, once they're dried,
And they stick to the paper a little bit.
you're gonna get some
It's all right.
pieces of
Yeah.
fabric on there.
Just pull it off, right? Oh, that one didn't stick at all. Oh, that one didn't stick. Just
Okay,
one.
yeah.
Oh, there goes the tongue depressor.
It's a popsicle stick.
Sorry.
It sticks to the
Stick,
thing.
yeah. Oh my gosh.
Okay, maybe don't use your bag to try it on. Okay, so.
So cute. Yes, those are just extras because we just
get rid of that.
Sure. Losing my mask.
I broke it up now.
Oh, don't want the wet one. No. There.
Okay.
Here. Trade.
Okay.
All right.
So, you want to get out your handy dandy glue gun.
I wonder if you didn't have a glue gun, do you think regular glue would work, or you're not sure?
I'm not sure. It would work, but I think
It would take more
it
time.
would take more time.
Hot
Yeah.
glue is much better too. It seems to be more durable in holding it. So
Okay. So, once all of your hearts are dried, you want to kind of figure out how you want to position it, and just take your hot glue gun and just add a string of glue to the side.
I see Amber has fancy nails again. They're green. They're like a darker green though, aren't they? Like an olive green?
Looks like it.
They're
It's not the
twinkling,
color that I
sparkly.
wanted.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The video.
Alright.
All right, see? It's molding along.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, then you just kind of want to hold it together.
Sure. And it absolutely looks like a shamrock.
It does. It's precious.
Maybe it'll give you good luck.
Alright, and then after that part is dry, add a little glue to the top of your popsicle stick. And voila! There you go.
All right, very good. So thanks for tuning in to another Pam and Amber's Craft Corner. See you next month. Bye.